Time Plumbing, Heating, and Electric Incorporated has been doing since 1983. Here with more information is one of the local owners and president of Time Plumbing, Heating, and Electric Incorporated. We have Brad Apple. It's so good to see you again,
good to see
Brad.
you.
Yeah, it's good to have you on. So if you wouldn't mind, tell us how you got started back in 1983.
Well, my wife and me got started out of the back of a pickup truck in 1983.
Wow.
Every year we've grown since. She's a sixth-generation Colorado native. I'm a second generation, so we know a lot about Colorado, and we've just consistently grown with our company. We have some very good quality technicians with us. We do a lot of training, and we've just carried some real strong ethics with all our technicians into the field. So they don't try to oversell things. They try to work with customers to find what the best solution is for their situation, and do just good quality work.
Yeah, good values.
Yes.
You're family owned. Why don't we talk about your ratings? Because that really does say it all when we're talking about a company, what people have to say about your business.
Yes, and we worked very hard. We've got over 730 five-star reviews out there. We're 5-star rated with the Denver BBB. Google, we're 4.8, which is one of the highest rated ratings for a company our size. We do work very hard with every customer to do the best job we can.
Absolutely. Well, if you don't mind, we're going to read a couple from some of your very happy customers,
Sure.
some of these reviews. So here's one. It says, I had an excellent experience with Time Plumbing, Heating, and Electric. Both Nick and Nate were very thorough and explained in detail every step of the process as they were performing. I very much appreciated their honesty and manner. I highly recommend this company and personnel, and that's from Laura Downey.
All right, and then we're going to read one. Wesley J. replaced my toilet today. Very nice and pleasant plumber. He was nice, and he thanked me for my service as a veteran. That's so great, and we're happy with the work he did, and we will be getting in touch in a few weeks for an electrical problem that we have. Thanks again, and that is from James Ruddick.
That's awesome.
Great reviews.
Yeah, the reviews are great. Now let's get to some show and tell.
Yeah, right?
So you brought some things. We're looking at this. This is not the gunkulator, is it? What is this?
And that's an outside faucet, or a spigot, some people will call it. In the fall, it's very important to remove your hose off this. If you don't and you leave it on and it freezes, it will split the pipe inside your house. And people don't find this out until they turn their faucet on in the springtime. It floods the basement. We get a lot of these calls every spring. A test you can do the first time you turn it on, if you block it with your thumb, turn it on, turn it right back off, and you should, when you remove your thumb, you should get some water spraying out or some pressure. If there's no pressure there, then it's usually split on the back of the pipe. Okay. So it's a quick, easy test that you can do. If it is split, also if you turn it on, you'll hear water running. You may want to check downstairs, and if there's a problem with it, you can give us a call. We'll get someone out and get that taken care of. But just something to be aware of, and run a quick test to prevent some problems.
All right, what about this? Like, is it time to change these?
Well, it is. If you have an air conditioning system and you're going to be using your system, this here is a pleated filter. They're highly sold at all the Home Depots around, or any of the hardware stores. They restrict the airflow, though.
So you don't like the pleats?
We don't like the pleats. They restrict the airflow. It's hard for the system to operate. Restricts airflow through the house. So if you have a second floor with air conditioning, you don't get as much air conditioning to the second floor. They stop up very quickly. They do because they're so fine, they do stop up and prevent create some problems if they're not changed every month or 3 months.
So you like these meshy ones a little bit better?
These mesh, it's an easy flow, lets the air flow through the system a lot better, saves on your energy for the system to operate, and prevents issues or breakdowns with the system on it. It's very important to keep it serviced and cleaned and adjusted at least once a year.
Okay,
and
well, these are good tips, Brad. Thank you very much. We appreciate having you on. If it's the time of year, you got to get ready. Thank you so much to Time Plumbing.
I might throw out real quick, we're running a special right now, $69 to do a clean service.
Oh, nice.
Calibrate the system. We're normally $120 on that, so anyone watching that will get that special.
Awesome. Thank you for that. We'll go over that again, too. So Time Plumbing and Electric has a great offer for Colorado's best viewers. You can get an air condition and furnace cleaning. That's the service for $69, like you just said. For $39, you can also get get a sprinkler startup and $100 off a water heater replacement. He has great deals for you right now. All you have to do is mention that you saw him on Colorado's Best. They have also started their spring promotion, so you can get huge discounts on air conditioning, sprinkler startups, electrical tune-ups, and water heaters. All you have to do is call their number. I love this number, 303-PLUMBER. I mean, no one's going to forget that. No. 303-PLUMBER. That's 303-758-6237. You can also find them online at 303plumber.com. Thanks, Brad.
Super easy. Well, there's a fun and fresh way to experience great food.